All right, good evening, everybody. This is Mark at the National Weather Service. We are looking at a very active holiday weekend coming up here, especially in terms of flooding and severe weather. So let's get right to it. Okay, so we're expecting a pretty significant river flood and flash flood event over the upcoming holiday weekend. We do have a flash flood watch. It's in effect for much of southern, central, and eastern Oklahoma, on over into western Arkansas and portions of north Texas. We're going to have several waves of heavy rainfall through the upcoming weekend. We'll even have around late tonight into early tomorrow. And we expect flash flooding to be a significant concern this weekend. Many of the rivers in this area are already flooded, and additional rainfall is only going to worsen the situation. Now, other areas may be added to this flash flood watch, and so it'll be important to pay attention and monitor the latest forecasts. So here's the current thinking on potential rainfall from now through Monday. Our first round of rain will come late tonight into early tomorrow and last through much of the day. But the heaviest rain really looks to occur from Friday night on through Monday. We're going to have several rounds of heavy rainfall with showers and thunderstorms. We could even see some severe storms in that time frame. We'll talk about that in a minute. But we're expecting about 2 to 5 inches over quite a large area. And we could even see a large area of 4 to 7 inches across southern Oklahoma down into north Texas, where they've already had a whole lot of rain over this past month. So that's of particular concern. We could even see a few places with more than 7 inches, just depending on how these storm complexes work out. All right, so real briefly here, we do have a potential for some severe storms. This will start tomorrow, Friday. Probably looking at more of a marginal severe threat, maybe some large hail, a few strong, possibly damaging wind gusts across far southwestern Oklahoma down into north Texas. We are really not as concerned about severe weather as we are about flooding. Flooding is the main concern. Now, by Saturday, the chance for severe weather may increase a little bit. This will expand into parts of central and southern and southwestern Oklahoma into north Texas. Could be some damaging wind and hail with the strongest storms, maybe even a few tornadoes. But again, flash flooding and river flooding are a significant concern through the weekend. And so that's what we're really concerned about. It's not to say these other things aren't important, but what we're mainly focused on is the flood threat. All right, so we talk about driving and flooding a lot, and the reason is because it's deadly. It doesn't really take much water to make driving extremely dangerous and life-threatening. Really, 6 to 12 inches of running water can certainly result in a life lost. We have a lot of roads across Oklahoma and North Texas that are already flooded, and with the potential for heavy rainfall and flash flooding through the weekend, we expect a lot more roads to be underwater as we head into the weekend. Now, you never know what's beneath the water on that road or bridge. In fact, a few bridges and several roads have been washed out with all the heavy rainfall recently, and you should really pay attention to where those roads are closed. The road closure signs are there for a reason. Don't go around them. They are there for a reason. They literally could save your life. We've already had 3 fatalities from flash flooding, unfortunately, since early May, and we really don't want anyone to add to that, okay? This is very serious. Respect the water across the road. Okay, so we know Memorial Day is a popular time to head out to the lakes, the rivers, the streams, take a family camping trip. What we can tell you is this Memorial Day weekend is not a good weekend for that. Many of the rivers are already flooded across southern Oklahoma and northern Texas, and lakes are much higher than normal, resulting in hidden underwater obstacles, flooded campgrounds, and strong currents as water is released below dams. This situation is only going to worsen with the forecast 2 to 5 inch or more inches of rainfall we're expecting over the weekend. So if you have outdoor plans over the weekend, you might want to reconsider or try to find something less dangerous that's indoors or away from these flooded areas. However, if you choose to go ahead with those plans, be extremely careful and keep in mind some of the points listed here. All right, so let's wrap this up. We do expect significant flooding, river flooding and flash flooding through the Memorial Day weekend. We may see some severe weather as these rounds of thunderstorm activity move through the region, but again, our main concern is going to be the significant flood concerns. We may see rain taper off, actually, late morning to early afternoon on Monday, but that does not mean the flood threat is over. That is not a time to get out there on the lake or the river and be reckless. You want to make sure that you are being extremely cautious if you're doing anything on any lake, any stream, any river out there. And camping is probably not advised, honestly, especially not in any low-lying area next to a lake or river. It's just don't do it. It could be deadly. So, with that, be extremely cautious if you have any outdoor activities this weekend in any recreation area. And again, if you have another option as far as plans for the weekend, you might want to reconsider those outdoor activities. Things could change, but right now it's really not looking like the best Memorial Day holiday for outdoor activities. All right, as always, thank you for tuning in. Please follow our social media feeds and our YouTube channel for future updates. This obviously will change through the weekend, but we are very confident in the placement of that heavy rainfall threat and that flash flood threat. Continue to watch us and be safe this weekend.